Welcome to the audiobook The Cosmic Zoom Technique, written by Ljana Grudenik, with illustrations by Grok, presented by the Gallery of Human Sustainability website. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this journey through imagination, perspective, and the vastness of the cosmos. Galactic Perspective Procedure, expanding human cognitive awareness to the scale of the cosmos. One powerful way to reconnect with the universe is to change the scale at which the human brain processes our existence. Most daily thoughts are focused on immediate concerns, work, responsibilities, personal challenges, and short-term goals. While these concerns are necessary for survival and productivity, they tend to narrow the brain's cognitive frame of reference. The universe, however, operates on scales far larger than human daily experience. Galactic Perspective Procedure is a structured cognitive practice designed to expand how the brain interprets spatial scale and cosmic context. Instead of concentrating only on immediate surroundings, this procedure systematically guides the brain to process increasingly larger structures of reality. The human brain is capable of constructing complex spatial models. By deliberately directing this capability outward, from the body to the planet, from the planet to the star system, and from the star system to the galaxy, the brain begins to operate with a broader cosmic framework. This procedure activates higher-level cognitive processes associated with imagination, spatial reasoning, and perspective building within the brain. These processes allow individuals to conceptualize environments that extend far beyond ordinary human perception. Through repeated practice, the brain becomes more capable of visualizing the hierarchical structure of the universe, from the local environment on Earth to the vast systems of the solar system, the rotating structure of the Milky Way galaxy, and the expanding cosmic landscape that originated with the Big Bang. As the brain processes these immense scales, everyday problems are placed within a broader perspective. This cognitive shift can promote mental clarity, reduce psychological stress, and strengthen a sense of connection to the larger cosmic environment. By training the brain to think across planetary, stellar, and galactic scales, the Galactic Perspective Procedure helps align human awareness with the true dimensions of the universe. Unique Cosmic Expansion Techniques. 1. Orbital Awareness Method. This technique focuses on visualizing motion rather than static space. Activity. Close your eyes and imagine yourself standing on Earth. Visualize Earth rotating beneath your feet once every 24 hours. Next, imagine Earth traveling through space around the Sun at incredible speed. Then imagine the solar system itself moving through the galaxy. This method reminds the mind that we are constantly traveling through space, even while standing still. 2. The Cosmic Zoom Technique. This technique expands awareness step by step through the known structure of the universe. Activity. Picture your body sitting quietly in a room. Zoom outward to see your city and continent from above. Expand further to see the whole planet Earth floating in darkness. Continue expanding until the solar system becomes visible. Expand again until you see the spiral arms of the Milky Way galaxy. Finally, imagine billions of galaxies stretching across the universe. This exercise trains the brain to visualize scale and complexity beyond human perception. Light travel reflection. Light from distant stars takes years, centuries, or even millions of years to reach Earth. This technique uses the journey of light to explore cosmic time. Activity. Imagine a photon of light leaving a distant star. Picture it traveling across space for thousands of years. Imagine that light finally arriving in your eyes as you observe the night sky. This reflection connects the observer with events that happened long before human civilization existed. 3. Light travel reflection. Light from distant stars takes years, centuries, or even millions of years to reach Earth. This technique uses the journey of light to explore cosmic time. Activity. Imagine a photon of light leaving a distant star. Picture it traveling across space for thousands of years. Imagine that light finally arriving in your eyes as you observe the night sky. This reflection connects the observer with events that happened long before human civilization existed. 4. Galactic Rotation Awareness. Our galaxy itself rotates slowly over hundreds of millions of years. This technique helps the mind visualize that enormous movement. Activity. Imagine looking at the Milky Way galaxy from far above. See billions of stars orbiting the galactic center. Picture our sun slowly traveling through one of the spiral arms. Realize that the solar system has completed many galactic orbits since Earth formed. This visualization connects human existence with the long-term motion of the galaxy. 5. Cosmic timeline visualization. This method expands awareness across time rather than space. Activity. Imagine the history of the universe as a long timeline. The universe begins with the Big Bang. The first stars ignite. Galaxies form and evolve. Billions of years later, Earth appears. Life begins and eventually humans emerge. Now imagine standing at the very end of that timeline, looking back at the entire cosmic history that led to this moment. This technique strengthens perspective and appreciation for the rarity of life. 6. Cosmic observer practice. This final method imagines viewing the universe from outside human identity. Activity. Imagine observing Earth from deep space. Watch continents, oceans, and clouds moving across the planet. Observe humanity as one species living on a small world. This perspective helps dissolve the feeling of separation between individuals and the larger cosmos. The effect of galactic perspective procedures when practiced regularly. These techniques expand awareness beyond everyday concerns. They remind us that Earth is a small planet orbiting a star. Our star is one among billions in a galaxy. Our galaxy is one among trillions in the universe. And yet, within this immense cosmic structure, conscious life has emerged, capable of observing and understanding the universe itself. Through practices like galactic perspective meditation, humanity can reconnect with that profound reality and rediscover its place in the vast cosmic environment. Recreate as poster page book. Use 16:2 size.